Hello, family. Good night. Good night. I just want to make a video about these two things that I want to share with you guys. One is the national identity card, and the other one is the visa card. And whichever way, if you have a driving license, it's okay. It's suitable to you know substitute for the national identity card. And if you have a passport, this is a substitute for the national identity card. And if you don't have one of these three things, you better get one for yourself. To them, with it, you get a visa card for yourself. You know, like for Papua New Guinea, not only for Papua New Guinea, but for everybody on the internet today, you have to, for many purchases and KYC, like the abbreviation for Know Your Customer. You must have a visa card so that when you punch it in, you get the premium services of anything, and this will make your life easier on the internet. And for the visa card, for the national identity card, it's for your identity verification. That will be the proof that you are the owner of that channel or that online business or whatever you are going to or you are pursuing. So, like, you know, these are small things, but they really have a big impact on your journey. So I just want to just say with everybody who have been watching that please isi bisa tukar something, yeah. Get these two things so that left you by the internet, and you know you're not back big the workman, or you not a whatever, but please make this your business to get these two things. If you know that, there, please, whatever you work on making start now, but you don't have succeed in reaping the fruits of whatever you are sowing. So please get these two things so that life will go see you on them internet flow. Thank you for watching. Plenty of videos for me dropping mess. So next week, no, currently I'm busy with many things. So keep following. Whoever subscribe it now you watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping many videos soon. So currently right now I'm down with flu, and Sisendo Mango too, and Overaman go push nothing stuff. So uh, I'll try to recover as fast as I can, and I will drop a lot of video as of next week. Thank you very much for watching. Keep following, stay with me, and keep watching my videos and giving likes to them. I'm about to reach 4,000 subscribers on YouTube. I just created a Facebook page for Chronicles of HP. If you're on Facebook, you can go and search it, and then like many Papua New Guineans, we are on Facebook. So go and follow many videos from me dropping lab too. But big thing, you subscribe to my YouTube channel because every valuable content I drop it there. And later, after I give it some time, and then later I re-upload the same content on YouTube, on Facebook. So follow me there, subscribe to my channel. Took something yet, so let me talk. You got driver's license stuff? I'm alright. No go worry, learn ID card. Got driver's license? When you man ID card to you. If you got this finish, please make it your business to get a visa card for yourself. Either BSP or Kina Bank, one of these two. Visa card, you get it as soon as possible as you can. So you must talk same yet so that you saw on your flow and stuff. And then no to advogo finish na later you lachi ko spin yung must stop no but looking mo sa mo you need log sims la to plus something. So with this two, something bago right on life for you. with these two things, I will be able to make a tutorial video about how to create a new PayPal account. So be prepared to watch this video around week. Next week. So keep on watching, keep on following. Much love. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Kids.
Today's a gift, for we don't know what tomorrow might bring. Life is too short for so, and I don't like holding on to little grudges that will keep on taunting me. Just wanna live my moments with the happiness. Inata, amene, wele ukotimbo kipindo, amene. That's what I say. What do I my pay? You should let it go and just forget it all, yo. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams, yeah. They say life is a race, and I'm on the chase until I realize I'm still chasing my dreams. Yeah. Oh, yeah.